Hello, my name is Hannah Bloom. If you are new, if you're not, welcome back. We're in the kitchen, you know what that means. We are gonna be making honey mustard chicken, one of my faves. My dad, thank you for telling me the recipe, gave it to me. So, chicken, bacon. If you don't like meat, you're not gonna like this. Salt, pepper. I prefer this honey mustard. I think it's just superior in my opinion. And then some oil. Do not forget to turn on the oven light. It's there for a reason. If you're wondering why this isn't a Band-Aid, by the way, I broke it pretty badly. Like, this is where that cut is. It's all the way down there. So, yeah, Band-Aid it is. You're gonna get the chicken, slather it in honey mustard. If you have the time, I do not, but if you have it, let it sit and marinate in it for a little bit. Salt, pepper all over, and then wrap it in bacon. Stick it in the oven. There you go. Super simple. Get a regular plastic bag and stick my chickens in here along with my honey mustard. Now, when you're adding salt and pepper after this mixes up, make sure not to add too much salt because bacon, as you all should know, is very salty. So just make sure you don't overdo it on the salt. Now, I am pairing this just with corn. You can pair this with broccoli, asparagus, really whatever the heck you want. Like I said, if you have the time, let it marinate. As you saw, I oiled it. I'm gonna single these out. And you can always add more honey mustard if you want it. Add my bacon. We're really just gonna wrap it. There's no best way to do this. It's just wrapping the chicken. Just know that it's gonna take some time because bacon needs to be crispy. And it's okay if it's not completely crispy because it might not be. That's just how bacon is when you're cooking it like this. Wrap it, cook it the best you can. And I do not have a good time of like when this is gonna be done. I just say 30 minutes and then keep checking it. That's kind of my rule of thumb for almost anything I'm cooking, unless I get it from somewhere and there's an actual, you know, number to go by. After all, I have a Band-Aid on. Oh, why did I wash my hands? That wasn't very smart. Just gonna put this like that. All right, then pepper and salt. And there we have it. You just stuff it in the oven.